How to download and install CapCut in Windows 11. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So open your preferred browser and then search for CapCut download. And now, if you cannot find it for your web, search for Windows and then open CapCut desktop. Then tap on download for free. Now save it in your file. After that, after the installer is downloaded, install it into your device like this. Wait for it to go to 100% and you will be done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.